Hey y'all, Terry Allen here. I am here with Anna. She's going to be our model today.
Hello.
We are going to do some fun stuff. We're going to do some cinematic lighting for boudoir photography. So let me kind of show you my setup. Put my camera down here. First of all, over here I have it's an orange light. It's called a CTO gel. CTO stands for color temperature orange. With this, it matches the color temperature of the incandescent light bulb in here. So this is a CTO orange filter. So it gives that orange glow and it makes the lamp have more light. So the orange light will be on Anna's right side there. And then over here, you can see this, I have a softbox. Inside the softbox, I put a blue gel. Now this is not a CTB gel. CTB is color temperature blue. I wanted something a little bit darker. It's more deeper blue. So I went with a deeper blue there. So I put that inside the softbox. Put this back together. So the cinematic style of lighting is what you find a lot of times in the movie theaters. In the movies you go to, you'll see maybe an orange fire and then a blue light, the rest of the image. So this is going to kind of recreate that. But it's really beautiful with boudoir type shots, and it's even more beautiful with nudes because the skin really reflects the colors. So let's take a few shots, see what we get here. Okay, I'm going to have you kind of lean a little more towards the lamp.
Okay.
So it looks like we're getting the glow from the lamp. There we go, that looks pretty. Make sure this is set up right. Now my camera settings, I'm shooting at 5.6, ISO 100 and 1/50th of a second. Let me change that to 1/60th just to make sure we're synced up here. And let's see what we got. Beautiful. Now, if you look back here,
I like it.
you can see this. I've got a little more orange than I want, not quite enough blue. So we're going to work with the posing a little bit.
Okay.
I am going to change it to blue a little bit here. Now, my setting, I'm actually using the Honey Badger lights, which is really good. This one is on 7. My orange is on 6. So let's see. I want to focus. Now, one of the things I didn't mention, inside here, I actually have a honeycomb grid so that it doesn't spread out as much. It's more focused. So we're going to make sure we focus this. Let me cut the model light on for a minute. There we go. And I'm going to raise this some and lower this. So I want just the orange on her face, not so much her butt. And this looks pretty good. So let's give it another shot, see what we got. Beautiful, beautiful. I like it, but I still got a little more orange than I want. So I'm going to redirect this a little bit. And I'm going to have you lean more towards here and bring your legs out a little more towards. Yeah, actually, let's go ahead and put it up on there.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, I think that will give me what I want. What I want to see here. Let's try that. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. Look at that.
Oh, I love it.
That is beautiful. We've got a lot of nice blue here, but we're catching the orange still here.
Mm-hmm. Very
On the
pretty.
face. Very pretty.
I like it.
Okay. Excellent. And turn the face, yeah, right there. Right there. Beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is
Oh, very
gorgeous.
cute. I love it.
Now I'm going to take some from this angle
Okay.
here. So look toward me here. Very nice. I'm going to move this a little bit. Beautiful, love it. Very nice pose. Excellent. Looking really nice. Nice. Get this angle here. Oh, I love that pose from here. Looks very nice. Beautiful. Now, your,
This one?
yeah,
Straighten
that,
it out
that would, bring it up.
Like
Oh
that?
yeah, like that, like that. I like that. Very nice. Excellent. Very nice. I love it. These are
Oh, those are
beautiful.
so cute. I do
Yeah.
like it too.
For sure. Very nice.
Beautiful.
Okay. Let's see. I definitely like these. So let's do.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do with your knees this way, and
Okay.
legs this way, just sitting.
I can chew like do.
Oh yeah, yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. Let's see what the lighting's giving me right here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Excellent. Love it. Very nice posing. Excellent. These are gorgeous.
I love it. Those are beautiful.
Yeah, and we're getting a nice separation between the blue and the orange. Okay, so that is it for this video. We will see you next week. I hope you've enjoyed it. And of course, always forget to do this. Don't forget to subscribe and like. So please do that now, and we'll see you next week.